Today I'm in Texas. Am I supposed to start with an accent?
That's up to you.
I don't want to mock it. I respect Texas. If living in Florida, in fact, we are two states that have a lot of similarities, and I think we're cousins. Today we're talking service and support. We have Travis on camera, over 20 years of experience, been here with Eagle for the last 2 years. Service and support, we all know. You sell the first machine, all these brilliant sales guys here, they all know it too. Service sells every other machine after that. That's why Travis continues to smile, because he knows his value, he knows his worth. And those of you out there who have ever needed service and support also know the worth of someone like Travis, a quality guy that's been doing it for this long. We have YCM behind us. We have Watch On the other side. We got Eurotech over there as well. Travis, let's talk a little bit about your character, why you like service and support, how long you've been doing it, and what drives you to keep going.
I really enjoy solving problems and providing solutions for customers. You know, downtime is a killer in this industry, and so our goal is to make sure that your machines are running optimally and that you should reduce that downtime. So I feel that you know, as long as we can provide that, then we're good.
As a machinist, one of the most stressful days I've ever had in my life is anytime I made a mistake that was big enough that I need to call outside support. Fixed a lot of things on my own, but if someone, one of my colleagues, myself, made a mistake and service and support was able to show up same day, next day, I mean, it's money being lost, it's time and resources, as customers being upset. You are, I'm gonna do it, I apologize, kind of the savior when it comes to the machine tool world and things needing to be fixed.
You know, I don't like to think of myself like that, but
I had to pause when I was gonna say it too.
Yeah, it's you know, like I said, we try to offer 24-hour response time to all of our customers, and then really pride ourselves on being able to get in there, troubleshoot quickly, come up with a solution. All of our vendors have good parts departments that are able to support us in getting the parts that we need in order to get the machines back up. And you know, we just that's our goal, is to minimize the customer's downtime.
Travis, I'm glad you brought up that when it comes to the parts and accessibility to get them up going again. Let's talk a little bit about Eagle. We have a great branding right behind. It's almost like we stood here on purpose. We have great branding behind us. How much dedication, devotion do you think that Eagle places on service and support to make sure every machine that they sell is taken care of when necessary? When they sell a new customer, an existing customer, that they know, they have the confidence that they're taken care of if something does go wrong, which none of us want.
The service to the leadership at Eagle is of the utmost importance. They put a great amount of emphasis on being able to take care of the customers, because we can get one machine in a shop. If we can't support that machine, then we'll never get another machine in there. But if you speak to the majority of our customers or go into those shops, you'll see, you know, multiple YCMs, Wash-Ons. One thing one of our sales guys, Mel, likes to say is that they make babies. and I feel like a lot of that has to do with the support and with the service. Our customers count on us and know that we'll be there, and, you know, rely on us to keep those machines running. There's a lot of options out there, you know, roughly in the same price point. And so it's the service, I think, that kind of sets you apart and allows you to continue to make sales and have repeat business.
Totally agree with you, Travis. So you made a very valuable point, and a respectful point as well, that we do have options. The audience watching right now knows they have options. At the end of the day, I get calls all the time. I get messages on LinkedIn all the time, Travis, which machine should I go to? I'm looking at, and they'll name about 10 machines. My first response almost every single time, who has the best service and support in your area?
Absolutely.
Yeah, we know that to be true.
We feel like we do, you know. We've got a team of guys that all have some experience, and we've got some younger guys that we're building up, and that have great aptitude and show great potential. And so it's exciting to see their passion and you know, their desire to kind of you know, move forward with our service team, and they're excited about their future in this industry. It's you'll never look for a job.
I like hearing that. And to be fair, if I had a sales guy on camera right now, we'd probably talk a little bit about how these YCMs or Watch-Ons or Eurotechs never break down. You can buy them, they're great, you know, and this is true. They are high quality machines. I've been to the factories of both of these. and really the way they are built, stable and sturdy, but also you've been fixing these machines for a long time. I come from a machinist background. We all make mistakes. We've all had that Monday where we've had our hangover from the weekend. We've all had that Friday where we're ready for vacation. We have had those hiccups from time to time, and that's where people like Travis come into play, make us better. I use the word savior. Maybe I shouldn't have, but he's definitely a hero in the industry to make sure that we're taken care of, because I've never been more stressed. I know you haven't either, and we got to make sure that we're turning these machines, keeping that uptime going, making profit, and doing what we need to do to thrive in a manufacturing that is so competitive globally. Travis, thank you so much for your time today. Even more so, thank you for your dedication to our industry and making sure that our machines are running day in and day out.
Thank you, Tony.